Hey guys, welcome to RPNW Adventures. Today we are taking you on the Tilly Jane route. It's about 5 mile, a little over 5 mile out and back hike in the Mount Hood National Forest. We've never been up here before, so super excited to do a new trail and see some new scenery, new terrain. This is just super exciting, so we're excited to take you on our adventure today.
Let's do this.
And it's, what, 2,000 elevation? 2,000 foot elevation gain? In 2 miles, so we're gonna be huffing and puffing.
Oh, yep. Already incline. Let's do this. On a side note, just wanted to point out that this hike already is better than last week's Truman Trail. How do you like this hike?
It's actually been really good. Definitely challenging with the elevation, but it's pretty gradual, steady incline. Not like...
It's not a bad incline. It's an incline.
No, but it's an incline.
It's kind of like a fun incline if you like that crap.
Getting the heart going.
Yeah.
Burning those calories.
We're almost out of the trees. I think there's a burn area up
Oh yeah, you can
up
see
there.
it.
So it's gonna start to clear out. Some shots of Mount Hood and other mountains. I don't know. We've never been here before.
It's all
It's awesome
new
though.
adventure.
It's awesome though. Not that many people. I thought it'd be tons of people, but no. Let's go.
Let's go. Totally worth the push to get up here for our 40-year-old body. Oh, but it's so pretty. Definitely staying hydrated because it's hot out and we keep getting a teaser of breeze. Just not enough.
All right. On to the next. Over there is the Cloud Cap Inn. There's actually a road up there that, you know, you don't have to do all this. You can just drive up, do that.
Cool. didn't we just do that? We don't take the easy way.
Nope. Update. Elevation. Tilly Jane, you ain't got nothing on us.
Not a trail.
We got a couple more 100 feet, or 3, or 4. Take your pick. But we are almost out of the burn area and back into the forest. So a little shade's gonna be pretty awesome. Oh, that thing's cool. Sweet. We
Did it.
You got any beer in there? Ring the doorbell or something. Where's the beer? No campfires. What about beer?
Excuse me.
Excuse me. This is the old amphitheater. Looks like it's seen better days.
Well, we had fun exploring around here. It's really pretty up here. Definitely suggest the hike. Be prepared for a climb the whole way up though. And not a lot of tree cover, so not a lot of shade. But we're headed back down. And then we're going to Parkdale to go to a brewery we've always wanted to go to, Solera.
Yep.
Solera Brewery.
Yep.
And then we're gonna go to Frim and go to Hood River and get some beer sisses.
I think we earned that after that incline.
Yes, we definitely did. Get some good food. But it's been fun so far, so we'll continue on with our adventure.
Down the hill!
Down the hill we go.
Oh, that echoed. Bro. Fun fact. It's not really fun, but this was a fire of
2008.
2008.
They wrapped all the houses in tinfoil,
Aluminum foil?
aluminum foil, and fire retardant.
Yeah.
And the
You can
fire
see-
didn't touch the...
You can see how close it came to all these buildings up here. There's Cloud Cap Inn, which was over there that we didn't make to. But that and the guard station that were all built 90, 100 years ago, whatever. It's close. It was close.
But
Thanks to the firefighters.
they brought it up here, or they created this trail in 1886. And then the American Legion had it, took it over for a while, hosted climbing expeditions up the north side of the mountain, which the little plaque back there said that the north side's really hard, so, but really cool history.
Yep. Cool. Let's go that way. back in the forest and shade. Yeah. Yay. Did it. Good job.
Good job, baby. For a 6-mile hike, that was a doozy. Total ascent was 1955.
1955. In about 6 miles, something like that.
I got on my Fitbit 6.77.
6.7? Wow. All right. Oh. Woo. Our pets' heads aren't falling off. Cooper Spur ski area. Skiing, snowboarding, snow tubing. There you go. For some winter excitement, head on over there. Go past Parkdale and take a right.
Right.
Right. Right? Right?
Yeah.
Right? Right.